We got new pants. So much hair. Shedding like crazy, dude. But what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to all my returning clients. Much love and appreciation as always. If you're new here though, my name is Hayes, veterinarian sneakerhead, hence the name TheShoeVet. Back again, once again with my buddy here. Sneakers. Your hair's just all kinds of messed up though, buddy. We gotta work on that. I justly deformated you and it's already back like this. We gotta do better. All right, but anyways though, going over two new pants pickup today, two different brands. The first one is called Kero Denim. I'm not too familiar with this brand. I just found these pants on sale on matchesfashion.com. And then these other pants, now this brand I'm a lot more familiar with, Ruben Kone. They sell a bunch of, I would say, very high quality everyday menswear. They have, pants, shirts, cardigans, things like that. But the quality of it is very high, very good. Where are we hopping to, guys? But yeah, we're gonna jump into this Kuro Denim one first right here. Like I said, got from Matches Fashion. It was on sale when I bought it. I think it was like maybe 150-ish, 130, 150-ish on sale, somewhere in there. Retails about $250. Now, what is special about these pants right here is they are, in the words of Maison Margiela, spliced. I think they were called like the monster pants, if you will. And essentially, it's a couple pairs of jeans that are, well, cut up the pieces and then re-stitched back together. So you see the details all right here. I mean, lovely, the parts about this pants is just in the details that I really love. I don't know what I just said right there, but you get what I'm trying to say. It's the details in the pants that really make these stand out a lot. I mean, looking at the waistband right here, it's obvious to see all the detail, all the splicing that's went into these pants. Now, getting to the materials of the pants are made of 100% cotton. The wash is a pretty dark wash, a little bit of fading throughout the thigh here, you can see. Details wise, I mean, obviously the main draw is the fact you can see where all the splicing and stitching went together. You do have a lot of asymmetry going on with the pants, so I do really like that. No section is the same. Got this little piece sticking up right here, whereas on the back it's more distressed and this piece is sticking down. The unfortunate part about these pants though, I gotta keep it a buck. The only part that brings these pants down is that there are no real pockets. I'm just gonna be straightforward about it. You can see a part where the pocket would be, but you pretty much, I mean, outside of maybe like a pin or something like that, you can't really fit anything in these pockets whatsoever. So in order to wear these pants, you're gonna have to have like a bag or something like that, tote bag, shoulder bag, whatever. Functionality of these pants aren't that great. Just gotta keep it a buck. Even on the back, you can see where the pockets would be. It's even like a little imprint of where it is, like on this one right here. But like there is no actual pocket anywhere on these pants, okay? Sizing wise, I got mine a size 1, which I believe equates to, was a 29-30, which is my true to size on the waist. The inseam of it is about like 30, I think it was like 29-30 inches. I wish it was a little bit shorter though. I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I definitely prefer something a little more high top, a little more lift, so that these will, kind of dangle down. You can see the details in the pants a lot better as opposed to wearing like a, low top or really, wide, chunky shoe, to where this will kind of just kind of, splay out of it, if you will. But it look a little messy, in my opinion. It looks a little messy that way. I think it's a lot cleaner if the pants kind of just, hang down, don't really touch the ground or anything like that. But you can still see all the details in it, the asymmetry, the slits, the different lengths, things like that. But overall though, these are really nice pair of pants. A lot of detail with the splicing and stitching and everything like that. I think it was definitely an eye catcher. It's just that unfortunate, the functionality of these pants aren't really that good. I mean, like I said, there are absolutely no pockets here. But other than that, a little nitpicky, just wear a bag or something like that. You'll be fine. Now these next pants right here, I actually am fairly familiar with this brand, and this is Ruben Kone. I'm definitely gonna have to throw their link in the bio right here because I am a big fan of these Ruben Kone. I'm a big fan of Ruben Kone in general. I'm just gonna put that straightforward. I have a pair of their, I think it was their ink collection, where they had, what was a cardigan, boxy t-shirt, and a pair of jeans. I got the t-shirt and the jeans. I didn't pick up the cardigan because I didn't think I needed being in the desert, but yeah, definitely some really good quality clothing right here. And I just picked up, this is the most recent drop. These are some cargo pants that have a lot of customizability down here at the bottom hem concerning the flare. We're gonna jump into that. First, let's go ahead and get into the color and the material. So the material is 100% cotton. And I mean, this cotton is very, it's very soft, very, very soft cotton. Like the color is kind of like a dark olive green. It may not show that well in the B-roll footage, but just, you know, just know that it is kind of like of a darker shade of olive green. There is some distressing. You can see right here near the flyer, for example, there's a little bit of distressing that came with the pants, a little bit on the belt band as well too right here. As far as the sizing goes, sizing is a little bit intricate. So it was, I really want to go for a small, but the smalls sold out just like that because it was pretty limited, right? Who knows? I wonder if Ruben Kone gets botted. I don't know. Those things sold out quick. Anyways, so I went with the medium. So the medium is just perfect for me in the waist. The medium is a size 30 in the waist. That's perfect for me. I'm a 29 to 30. The inseam though, now that was where I got a little, you know, had a few problems, if you will, because I think the small was like a 30 or 31 inch inseam, which would have been a lot better for me being 5'6". But the medium size that I had to settle for is about like 32, 33 inches, which is pretty long. Even when I barely kind of open up the pants, start flaring, like I'm literally kind of walking on the pants. So unfortunately, I did have to get these hemmed. Okay, so note that in the B-roll, these pants are hemmed. All right, the small would have went a lot better for the inseam, but it would have been kind of tight at the waist. So yeah, it was kind of a little juggle for me, if you will. But yeah, I had to go with the medium and end up getting it tailored at the inseam. Now, as far as my overall thoughts on these pants, I think these pants are great. I know you are not about to just walk on my pants. Yeah, just chill out. You stay right there, okay? Yes, but overall, I really do enjoy these pants. These pants are very versatile. They go with a lot of different colors, being a olive green color. I think you can wear them a lot of different ways, primarily because of this hem down here. So we're gonna start from the top real quick. So at the top, you have a belt buckle. You do have a button as well as a zipper fly. The zipper is YKK. You do have 2 regular pockets on the side, 2 pockets on the back with a snap enclosure. And then you have a thigh pocket on each side too as well, snap enclosure. We get down to the bottom of the hem, and that's where things get, you know, a little special. You really are gonna get on my pants, aren't you? Okay. Fine, whatever. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. All right, so back to the pants. This is where things get very intricate right here because there's a lot of customizability right here. I am on my B-roll. I can't remember which side is which, but I know one of them I have opened up all the way and the other one I have closed up all the way. Just to kind of show the difference of flare. It probably would have been a little bit more apparent if I left the pants its true size without having a tailor, but like I said, I'm literally walking on these, so I had to get a tailor. But anyways, a bunch of different things here. So you do have a zipper. I don't know what the zipper is made out of, but it's a pretty good quality. I want to say it's YKK, but it doesn't really say. But yeah, you have the zipper right here, so you can open it up, and then you have this little tab, and you have 4 different options that you can snap it to. You can keep it, well, you can honestly keep it wide open if you want, but if you still want to keep this little tab controlled, it's not flapping everywhere, you do have a couple different options of where you want to snap it to, so you can kind of play around how you want that flare to go. Works really well for chunky shoes, boots, things like that, but you can honestly wear any kind of shoes with these pants, okay? Get off my pants, man. That's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. It's a nice, short, easy one today. I just want to go over some pants I just recently picked up. You guys definitely let me know how you guys feel about these, and man, shout out to Ruben Kone, man. They've really been doing their thing. Really hope you guys do look at them and support them. Know this video is not sponsored in either sort of type of way, but you know, hey, if a brand, especially a brand that's coming from the ground up, you know, the little guys, not the big luxury brands or anything like that, but the little guys that are coming up, yeah, I really do appreciate the work you guys put into your craft. So yeah, definitely support Ruben Kone, link in the bio. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you become a client. You do that by hitting the description down below, as well as hitting the notification bell so you'll be notified from the next video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for more content. The handle is at drhayes91. That will be in the description box down below too as well. Hope you guys have a great day. See you in the next video.